could fall into a bed of come out, no, it's not right. You could fall into a bed of rose, no, it's not right either. You could fall into, no, hold on, let me start again. We'll let you cut that out. You could fall into, I'm still wrong. What am I trying to say? Aye, you could fall into a pile of and still come out smelling like roses. This fit is. Give it a mic. Hell yeah! There we go, Gudgies! Duns motocross track! Ooh, could be doing with a drop of water. What's your first impressions of the track? Well, since we've just come on to the first, not the first corner, but our first corner walking the track, it doesn't look too bad. Obviously it's going to be super bumpy and blah 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 blah. Some good ruts here. The ruts look nice. Obviously I'm going to be here, because that's my line.
This side of the bank or the other?
Well, depends. Depends, it might be a Hoxton line. Jesus, look at this scene. It's fairly, see the way it's fucking curved. I reckon if my hamstrings will stretch that high.
You got handguards?
Nah.
You were hoping for the whole shot then?
Yep.
Quite a few stones.
Very much so. In fact, I would say there's more stones in the reserve. Hello! Who have we got today? This is a new person. What's your name? Charlie?
Yep.
Are you Ryan's cousin?
Yep.
And how old are you?
6.
6? Wow. You're almost as tall as me. Huh? Oh well. I'm just almost ready to go out to do my first race. Are you going to be cheering at the side of the track?
Yeah.
Are you? Are you going to be cheering for Uncle Baz as well? Who do you think will beat who? Do you think he'll beat me or will I beat him?
I think you'll beat him.
I'll beat him? Oh nice! That's a fist bump for that one. Ooh. Nice. Thank you.
Chutney.
Ah! It's young Ryan. How was the race? That was okay. A bit of off-track excursion in the first lap off a start and that, but no, I picked myself through a few riders and got a bit of arm pump towards the end and kind of buggered them up a wee bit. There was 2 guys past me at the end of the last lap and a half or something like that. But no, I enjoyed it. The track's still dry. It's in good condition. The rain's not here. We're all great. What about your father?
He finished the race with no clutch and he was
Did he? Hey, clutch! Wow.
No clutch.
Oh well, that's nice and good. So he's left room for improvement then. He's left room for improvement.
Yeah.
Aye, good stuff. Oh well. Oh look. Look if I can see over there, look. Esther. Go and catch her, look.
Esther!
What do you say today?
Good.
Neville, I like to see you still with that orange wellies. The future's orange, nae red.
Hi there.
Hello, how you doing?
Good?
Good.
How's that?
Oh, you recorded?
Yeah.
That was good. I enjoyed that. I got a good start. A couple of mistakes, 2 or 3 mistakes I made and I let foot past it. I'll take it. I'll take it all day. There's 2 races we've managed to get dry, so
Yeah.
I'll tell you if it did happen, my flipping right contact lens kept watering. It's a bit annoying. But again, you just have to deal with it. I reckon it was a bit of grit went in or what, I don't know. But hey, it is what it is, Kevin like. Paul Maddenson, he's the boy for the bikes, boys for the Hondas. Well, we had a successful day. 5th overall in the vets, I think over 50s, so can't complain. Enjoyed my day's racing. Track was quite sketchy in the last race, pretty slidey, but the old big dog kept it on 2 wheels, so kept it on 2 wheels, held again. Good job, beastie boy. So anyway, that's a wrap here at Duns. Yeah, I'll tell you, look at this, look at this flipping slidiness. Look at that, it's just like ice. Bloody ice. Never mind. Because I've said all year, it is what it is, look at that. Alan Dean's almost on his arse. So, no, we've completed a day. And, aye, we're doing a wash, getting the washing done. Ben's still sitting there, he's not ready to go yet, he'll be a minty. So yeah, a wrap. Barry's washing his bike, 3rd overall considering his day. A bit of problems with the bike. Clutch cable coming off in a race and his whole shot device not working, the bike wouldn't start. I think we had it all. You could fall into a bed of boots, no that's not right. You could fall into a bed of roads, no that's not right either. You could fall into, no hold on, let me start again. We'll let it cut that out. You could fall into, I'm still wrong. What am I trying to say? Aye, you could plant like Island and still come out smelling like roses. Only joking, Basil. Anyway, on to Riney next weekend. There's another part of the vet's corner, look. Are you coming for the use? Ah, here he goes. Here he goes. See what he's got to say for himself. Mr. Ross. What have you got to say for yourself today?
My voice, eh?
Huh?
I'm ill with my voice.
You're fucking hell. That's not cool. That doesn't stop your throttle hand and back to. You had a good day.
I enjoyed it.
So did I. Third race was a bit sketchy, but
It was a bit sloppy,
kept on 2 wheels all weekend, so that's a start.
Same here.
Aye. Good lad.
Yep, aye. No, I enjoyed it. The track was good and
Aye.
say enjoyed the changes.
Yep, a lot of work done by Mr. Hamilton.
Was
Paid off, I suppose, I would say. So, oh well, Vet's Corner's a bit depleted. Fit our neck of the woods this weekend.
Missing it.
Aye, aye.
Who's gone?
Where the fuck are you, Mr. Mac Mason Factory Racing? You can lie in a sunbed.
Oh well, I can't speak. I've been in Spain all weekend.
Have you? You weren't in the same place. You were in a line side by side in your Lilos. No. See you next weekend. Toodle pip.